Hey, my fellow travelers. Welcome back to While I Drive. I want to throw a thought your way. A fellow traveler shared a story with this little code dude the other day, and I haven't stopped thinking about it. They were driving down the road when they noticed a tow truck. It simply said, Wes's Towing, and immediately they thought of their Uncle Wes. Not because they were trying to, it just happened. Then something even stranger happened. They didn't think about where he lives or what he does. They remembered his handshake. They said he has the coolest handshake, soft but somehow firm at the same time. Such a wonderfully specific thing to remember. So instead of simply smiling and driving on, they picked up the phone, called their Aunt Enid, and said, "Hey, I was following this tow truck and it made me think of Uncle Wes. I was remembering his handshake and I just wanted to tell you guys I love you." That's it. A 5-minute phone call. Look at all these cars on the road. Every one of those people carries memories of people they love. Parents, grandparents, old friends, teachers, neighbors, people they haven't spoken to in years. And here's what's fascinating. Most of them are just one little button away. Yet somehow, humans have become incredibly good at texting, emailing, scrolling, liking, sharing, while forgetting about the little button that lets another human being hear their voice. No bullshit. There's something different about hearing someone's voice. It carries warmth, presence, laughter, silence, a little piece of the heart. So here's a little experiment. The next time someone unexpectedly comes to mind, don't just enjoy the memory. Hit the little button, call them, tell them why you thought of them. Maybe it was their laugh. Maybe it was their handshake. Maybe it was something only the two of you could possibly understand. Who the hell knows? Maybe they needed to hear your voice today. Maybe you needed to hear theirs. Something to think about as you head down the road today. Thoughts are important. Let's get a little practice in. Let's write.